Google parodies Apple and Johnny Ive in ridiculous Pixel. Speaking of Pixel 5a, that's why you lined it up like that.
Yeah, I try.
You saw me go to 5a, and then you got all organized, and you got the nice keyboard with the mechanical switches and the mouse in the other hand, and you just smoothly inserted this.
Yeah, I try.
All right, let's see what you got. What is it? Is it a... Wait a second. Oh, it's a video.
It's a video, yeah.
The Circle comes full circle, featuring the Google Pixel 5a with 5G.
Some might say simply perfect.
Oh, so they're...
A complete set of points, all equidistant from a single point on one plane.
Geometry.
No beginning. No end. No end to the beginning. So round. So circular, if you will. Little known fact, the Latin word for circle is circus. Circus. Isn't that delightful? And that delight inspired us to reimagine the circle for the new Google Pixel 5a. Precisely 3.5 millimeters in diameter, forged and machined from the finest premium-grade copper and iron, housed in a unibody of die-cast aluminium.
Fancy pronunciation.
Engineered for optimal haptic feedback to deliver the satisfying feeling of click.
Well, I've never wanted a headphone jack so badly in my life.
A hole. A tiny black hole with the gravitational pull of 1 trillion collapsed stars.
Well, this guy's supposed to be Johnny Ive, but I mean, you're allowed to use a dude with a British accent, aren't you?
Sure, yeah.
All dimensions. Designed to welcome both 1/8 inch 3-pole TRS and 4-pole TRRS connections. A glorious achievement that draws from our past as it propels us into the future.
It's a headphone jack.
Yes, it's a headphone jack. With the Google Pixel 5a with 5G, the circle has finally come full circle.
I'll tell you, you know what I want, Will? I'll tell you what I want, a headphone jack after that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean,
that's fine.
You take a couple of shots. It's just weird because their phone's not going to have it. But for anyone who cares, for anyone who really likes having a headphone jack, then they can go watch this, and really no one else is going to. So, yeah, fair play. Whatever. Have a laugh.
Yeah.
Go for it.